Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming you my third video of the day. I did film 2 in the morning, which was a seamless contouring routine and a sales haul. So I did go out after I filmed the video and I ended up shopping, so I thought I might as well film what I've got before I put the things away. So it's everything to do with home, so I'm just gonna go straight into it. I've got one bag from Homesense, an item from B&M, and 2 bags from H&M, but they're the same kind of products, so I'll show you one of them. But anyway, let's get to it. And I've got 4 bags of Primark home, so I'll go straight into it. I'm going to start off by showing you what I got from H&M because it's only one thing. And I also got one item from B&M, but I'll show that at the end of the haul. So yeah, I'll show you what I got from H&M first. So from H&M I got 2 of these vases. They're going to go on the side of my bed. I did buy 2 side tables from B&M last week and they came out to be £10 each, so I paid 20 quid for them. I would have loved to have showed you, but it would have been just one video for a couple of tables. I got 2 white side tables and 1 glass table for my TV, so they were all at £10 each, so you guys might find them anyway. But anyway, this vase, I love it, so I'm going to put some pampas grass in them and put them on the side of my bed, and I have 2 of them. Next is Homesense, and I also only got 2 items from Homesense. First item is this little candle holder, and this is going to go in my dining room fireplace, which has been blocked off, and this cost me $7.99. so I just love how this look. My dining room is all black and white, so this will go perfectly in. And I have this throw right here from Homesense as well, so it's quite big and it's by DKNY, and this one costs $24.99. so this is what it looks like. It matches perfectly with my rug. I'll link my rug down below. I got it from Benuta. So yeah, so I'll just show you guys properly. So this is 1/4 of the throw, and it's got little tassels at the end here. So now for my Primark haul. As you guys can see, I have 4 bags and they're pretty heavy. Some of them are, some of them aren't. First, I'll start off with the cushions. So I've 2 of these cushions. These came at £9 each, and this is what it looks like. I did see something like this in Sainsbury's last year and they were at £7. So these are a bit more pricey than Sainsbury's, and Sainsbury's usually do better quality. So yeah, but I'm still happy with them. You know, £9 for a cushion cover and a cushion inside it, still really good for nowadays. So I also got another cushion. I just thought this would go nicely in my bedroom when I have these vases in. And this is a rectangular cushion, and this one was £7. I got 2 of these. I did get these for the top of my bed, but I'm not too sure about them. I might return them. I'm not too sure. I'm just going to keep going for now and see how it goes. And these cost £6 each. So this is what they look like, and they're wall hangings. This tray, so this is what it looks like. I don't even know where I'm going to put this, but when I saw it, I was in love with it and I had to have it. So it's like a tray, and they did have a wall hanging with this pattern, and I did consider buying it, but somebody had left it on the shelf where these were, so I couldn't find where the rest of them were, so I didn't want to just buy the one. If I was going to buy it, I was going to buy more than one. So this tray was £6, guys. I mean, it's wood, it's carved wood, and it's £6, so that's a bargain. I bought this bedding for £13, and this is a king size one, so I'll show you guys the picture of what it's supposed to look like if it would zoom in. Let me zoom you in. So yeah. So I also bought another duvet cover set. This one was £24 and it's a printed duvet cover set. Zoom you guys. So that's what it looks like, and this is the print. And I got this in a king size as well. The other one was king size. And I got 2 pillowcases in white, and these were £170. I might go in and buy them in another colour as well. So I bought this for £7, and it's an ET duvet cover set for my son because he loves ET. So last but not least, I bought a children's table and chair set for the boys' playroom, and it's all in white, so this is what it looks like. And this one was £20, so it comes with 2 chairs and a table, which I thought is a bargain because I was looking for some, and it's usually ones that I don't like that are cheap, and ones that I do like are usually over £30. So guys, this is the end of my home haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. I do show you guys other home stuff that I bought from H&M on my other sales haul, so do watch that one as well. And if you guys like what you see, make sure to go and buy them before they're gone. Bye for now.